Okay, so this is part 2 of my first map. For this one, we're going to switch to the counties layer, to the counties map. And notice that counties is the name of the map over here as well. And we're going to have to add some new data here. So we're going to have to go back to the USA folder in Census, and we're going to find the counties layer right here. And right-click on counties and add it to the current map. And pan over here as well. And we're going to do the same thing again and get just the lower 48 counties. Let's take a look at the attribute table too and make sure it has the data that we need. There's our population data, our demographic data. So we can close that. And do you remember? Go to select by rectangle, drag a box around. It highlights all of the counties. Right click on counties, data, export the features. Counties are being exported. Let's just call it USA counties. And let that drop in here as well. Save. And then run it. And after it's done running, it's hard to tell that anything changed, but if you look up here, USA counties is present. So we can remove counties, and now we only have those lower 48 counties, and then we can zoom to layer. Okay, and let's apply the same coordinate system that we used for the other map. Right click on counties and go to properties, coordinate system. Let's see what we have here. None of these work. These are some old favorites of mine. We may have to dig back in and go get it again. Yeah, we do. Okay, so it's good practice. Go to projected coordinate systems, continental, North America, and then let's find the N8083 contiguous USA Alders. And there we go. Okay, now change your symbology to your preferred ethnicity or demographic, whatever you chose. Go to graduated colors, change it to your specific demographic choice, and then remember to normalize it, or it doesn't look much different than all the other ethnicities. Divide by the total population. Interesting. Okay. So this is a much more detailed picture of where Hawaiian Pacific Islanders are living in the United States. Some interesting pockets of community, probably in cities for the most part. Okay, so this is all we're doing with this map, and we'll just move on to the next topic. Okay, so our next map is going to be Fairfax County block groups, and to do this we're going to need to add counties to this map. So let's do that now, and then we'll come back to this in a new video. So one thing you can do to get the counties is just go to USA counties and copy it here, and then bring it over here activate this map, and then right click on Fairfax block groups, and then add, paste it, just hit paste. What's interesting is we brought it over in the same demographic that I'd chosen before also, but notice what did not come with it, the projection. And that's actually a good thing in this case, because what we've been using for counties and for states is a projection that's used for the entire United States. It's a continental scale. Fairfax is a county scale, and it's not appropriate for us to use the continental scale for it. And so that's the reason that it doesn't come over, is that making such an assumption would be a bad one, so the software never does it. And we'll get back to this in our next video, and I'll show you how to isolate just the counties within, or just the census blocks that are going to be within Fairfax County. Okay, so you've got your Fairfax map started.